Welcome back, Python enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how Python can perform complex tasks with just a few lines of code? Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, we'll unravel the secrets behind Python's power, its modules, and standard library. Get ready to be amazed. By the end of this video, you will learn how to harness the power of Python's built in modules and libraries, enabling you to create even more amazing programs. Imagine you're working on a project to analyze weather data. Instead of writing complex algorithms from scratch, you can use Python's built-in math and statistic modules to save time and effort. Cool, right? Think of Python modules as superheroes swooping in to save the day with their pre-built paths, making your coding life a whole lot easier. Python has an incredible range of modules, from data manipulation to web development and even game creation. There is no limit to what you can achieve with Python's modules by your side. Now, let's dive into importing modules and using the standard library. To import a module, you simply use the keyword import followed by the module name. For example, to import math module, you write Python import math. And that's it. You now have access to all the functions and classes within the math module. To use a function from the module, you can use the dot notation like this. Python result is equal to math.square root 25 print result. This code calculates the square root of 25 using the square root function from the math module. Python's standard library is packed with useful modules that can make your coding task a breeze. In the next video, we'll take it a step further and explore how to create and import your own modules. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So to recap, in this video, we learned how to import Python's built-in modules, using their functions to enhance our programs. Remember, Python modules are like superheroes, ready to lend their paths to your projects and making your coding life a whole lot easier. Stay tuned for the next video where we learn how to create and import our own modules. Happy coding and see you soon. See you. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable and want to see more awesome content, remember to hit that like button and drop a comment below. Your likes and comments are our fuel, motivating us to keep creating free courses and helpful content. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's build this amazing community together.